Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15BW025NS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 15BW025NS gets too hot to touch, you're not alone. This overheating can occur due to the degradation of thermal paste over time, which is crucial for dissipating heat from your CPU and GPU. If left unaddressed, this issue can lead to reduced performance and even permanent damage to your device. Now, let's gather the tools you'll need for this repair. You will require a screwdriver set, thermal paste, an anti-static wrist strap, a plastic spudger, and a soft cloth for cleaning. To begin, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Lay your laptop on a flat surface and remove the screws from the back panel. Be careful to keep track of which screws go where, as they can vary in size. Once the screws are out, use a plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel without damaging the clips. With the panel removed, locate the heat sink, which is usually near the fan. Carefully disconnect the fan cable to gain better access. Now, unscrew the heat sink, taking note of the order in which you remove the screws. Apply a moderate amount of force, but be cautious not to strip the screws. Once the heat sink is removed, you'll see the old thermal paste on the CPU and GPU. Using a soft cloth, carefully wipe off the old paste. It's essential to clean the surfaces thoroughly to ensure a good bond with the new thermal paste. Apply a small pea-sized amount of new thermal paste onto the center of the CPU and GPU. When you reattach the heat sink, it will spread the paste evenly across the surface. Reconnect the fan cable and screw the heat sink back into place, ensuring all screws are tightened appropriately. Replace the back panel of your laptop, making sure all clips snap back into position, and then reinsert and tighten all screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent overheating in the future, ensure your laptop is kept clean and well ventilated. Regularly check and replace thermal paste as needed, ideally every few years, to maintain optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.